makers, my name is Melly and welcome to the AGF channel. Our newest designer for AGF, Alexandra Bordallo, has just debuted her first collection for AGF called Dew and Moss, and I'm so excited to introduce you to her whimsy designs. Her collection is a magical world where gnomes play in their garden and live in mushroom houses. In today's tutorial, we'll be sewing up the 8-pointed star block. We will learn how to make flying geese using the no-waste method, and sew and trim our block to make an easy yet interesting looking star block. And like always, I love sharing my handmade outfits with you. So for the details on the Dew and Moss knit top that I'm wearing, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. Draw diagonal lines on the wrong side of your 2 7/8 squares from fabric B, from corner to corner with a fabric marking pen. Take a 5 1/4 inch square from fabric C and D, and 8 2 7/8 squares from fabric B. These are the pieces you'll need to create 8 flying geese units. Place 2 2 7/8 squares at each corner of your 5 1/4 inch square. Make sure right sides are together and the diagonal lines match up to make a straight line. Sew 1/4 inch from the diagonal line on each side of the line. Cut your pieces on the diagonal line you marked and press seams toward fabric B. Now place your 2 7/8 square from fabric B at the lower corner of your pieces. Sew on each side of the diagonal line you marked at 1/4 inch, and cut your piece on the diagonal line. Press your flying geese open and trim to 2.5 by 4.5 inches. Sew your flying geese into pairs like this, and then sew a 4.5 inch square from fabric D to the end. Create 4 of these units with your remaining pieces. Sew 2 of these units to each side of your 4.5 inch fussy cut square from fabric A to create the center strip of your block. Sew a 4.5 inch square from fabric E to each side of your remaining flying geese units to create your side rows. Sew your side rows to each side of your middle strip. Trim your block to 11.5 inches, making sure to leave 1/4 inch seam allowance around your entire block, and your 8-pointed star block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our 8-pointed star block is complete, and the reds and greens in this collection are such a lovely combination, and all the prints in this block are just so stinking cute. So my top is the Nico top by True Bias Patterns, which could also be turned into a dress, and I love the form-fitting silhouette of this top and the mock turtleneck design. So for more fun sewing projects made with Dew and Moss fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing! So before we end this video, I just wanted to say a special thank you to all of our subscribers out there. We love you all so much. We've hit over 10,000 subscribers so far on the AGF channel, and I just want to say thank you so much for all your kind comments and support, and we can't wait to continue making fun fabric videos and sewing tutorials for you all. So thank you so much.